Alrighty, guys, it is 3:30 this Thursday, October 30th, and it's been one crazy day, huh? And then finally we got this little selling. Started on 2 o'clock hour, but it wasn't obvious by any means until they really start taking out these first and second standard deviation, or actually running it down here. It could have gone either way, but they started grinding this lower, not by any means a straight line. And now finally we got first attempt to take out the 65s. Let's see where they're going to go. I mean, I'm thinking that we may see some further selling going into that list has half hour. We'll see. I mean, either that or we may get the bargain hunt. It could be either way. But right now, I'm gonna still keep my money on the short side and see how far these guys are gonna try to take it. All right, so I would start off right now. If they close above the 65s, I'm gonna stay range bound. If they close below it, I would start off on the short side. So that's kind of the way I'm looking at it right now. Um, we'll see how it develops. Now for tomorrow morning, do we have any news? Personal income and outlays. It could be. I don't think that's going to come out, but if the government is shut down, but that's would be a inflation read. We'll see if it comes out or not. But that would be a big number to pay attention to. But I don't think it's going to come out since they have issues with since the government is shut down. But anyway, so still just those trades I took this morning. I got one shakeout, one loser, one shakeout, and I'm basically down 67 on that, and that's about it. Basically got run over in this initial run up. I did this run up here early on this morning. I tried to get short once, tried to get short again. That's when I got run over, and I tried one more time, and I got shaken out. So those are the three trades. And since then, I did not re-engage it. I just been watching through that slop all through the afternoon, and I finally get a bit of action. But this action could be either a rundown, and they're going to fake you out, or we're going to see them run right back up again. So I'm going to watch it carefully. May actually take a late in the day trade here, see if they, depending on how it goes. All right. Now looking at the Nasdaq and the bonds, bond market is holding in the range. They ran it lower this morning, but back up again, and now that's kind of range bound. So sideways action on the bond market. If anything, I would look maybe for a little bit of strength to hit that mode at 23, but it would just be like an early overnight kind of thing. But I think they're going to come up and test that 23 mode. So, but range bound trading on the bonds going into the overnight. We have a new edge down here at the 1710 to pay attention to. And on the Nasdaq, you can see we also then nice rundown here. They've been trying to take it lower, all with not convincingly, and then finally here late, right at 3 o'clock, they started one nice leg lower, bounced hard on it, and then they ran into the 900s. And now we'll see if they're going to try to take this lower again. So anyone's guess how this is going to go, but I'm thinking short, lower prices. So I'm going to start off on the short side on the Nasdaq. If they close above 26,000, I will be probably back range, but I'm not sure it's going to happen. So we'll see. I mean, it could be a violent bargain hunt. That would be a good sign if that happens. We also have earnings come out after the close. It could also put a little bit of a damper to the whole thing. But this is all about the selling here. The weakness is all about Powell, and Powell not being able to freaking have any conviction. We don't know quite. We will see. Have to see. Maybe. That causes the market to be not happy, and that's exactly what we have to deal with today. Oil and gold. So gold, trading back up again. They're holding above 4,000. So if they hold above the 4,000s, I would be starting off from the long side. See if it can retest these highs, potentially take it higher. There's still a short opportunity up here against that 40-40. If they take that out, definitely be a stay on the long side. But if they can't, let's go back range bound on that guy. If they start trading back down from here, let's go back range bound. So that's kind of the dynamic on gold to get started. Haven't traded gold today at all. It's a little bit too volatile, sloppy, but yeah, heading back up again slowly. But they still have to clear that 40-40 for us to be able to take this higher. So I'm going to look for short against that level if that materializes. And oil is just kind of range bound. It was down at the lows this morning. It traded back up to the 60-75. Could not take it out. So they're pretty much range bound right now. And I would start off range bound trading on oil as well. Look to sell strength 60-75, 61s. Look to buy weakness down here to at the 59.75 to 80s. Rotations back up again. That's where we are. Could be a nice buying opportunity against that single print on some weakness. Rotations up. We'll have something to pay attention to in the overnight. All right. So anyway, so we'll wrap it there, guys. Back to the ES. So range bound oil, range band gold. Look for that short opportunity on gold at 40.40 if that materializes. And these guys are still, looks like they're going to take it lower. So we'll see how bad it's going to get, but that's where we are. All right, guys, we'll wrap it there. Now I'll see you back at bright and early in the morning. We'll go at this again. All right, guys, later.